Good morning guys, welcome by a new video, and in today's video we made some campaign videos for the shirts. Look at that, how pretty they are. For the hoodie and for the other shirt. It's yeah, don't look at the background, it's a big mess, but I didn't record that much of it, just a few bits, so I don't have any footage for the rest of the video. So what I'm gonna do now, rock and rollin'. We back with the moto vlog. We got a bit of a new setup because we have this huge as fucking dildo. Haha. He likes it. Let's give him a bit of a show. That grandpa loves it. He was a cool guy. I think when he was younger he was like a sicko. Shout out to the sickos. This unit on the front is a 360 camera, and you saw it in previous videos if you watched them. If you didn't see it, make sure to check out our other videos, because if you like this one you will like the rest as well. But besides that, this is an inside 360 camera. It looks a bit silly, but it gives like the sickest footage. So yeah, you have to deal with it because it's okay. It's pretty sick. You can I will do a few wheelies when I'm at the wheelie spot, and then you will accept this point of view from now on. I did a photo shoot of, it was not photos, it was like videos for the merchandise, like I just told you, and I showed you the t-shirts in the video. But that's why, because we started at 1 PM and it's now around 4 o'clock afternoon, so yeah, I wanted to record it, but I didn't want to take too much time for the video guy, because he helped us out. He did it for free, so now we can't use all of this time. I want to do it as quick as possible, so I don't want to, when someone gives you a hand of a finger, you can't grab the whole hand, you know. So that's why I wanted to do it quick, and yeah, that's why I didn't record a lot of it, just a bit. And I will show you the footage what I shot right now. It's probably like a 10-second clip or
Supermotovalhalla, kicking high, feel the fury, reach for the sky. Start like madness, pulling right, living for the thrill, never die. Broken bones, spinning hearts tough, ride the storm, through pass so rough. Helping warriors, fight the pain, subliminal glory and gasoline rain. Supermotovalhalla, kicking high, feel the fury, reach for the sky. Start like madness, pulling right, living for the thrill, never die. Broken bones, mended hearts tough, ride the storm through paths so rough. Helmet warriors, fight the pain, subliminal glory and gasoline rain. Supermotovalhalla, kicking high, feel the fury, reach for the sky. Start like madness, pulling right, living for the thrill, never die. On its way to the summer sun, atomic levels come undone. Speeding ghosts race in the night, in a blaze of glory, day and night.
it's Friday night, boys, and that means it's time for barbecue and whiskey.
Clock strikes 5 times.
Look at that meat, boy! Look at that! That's a buffet. I don't know what's in English. I think it's also buffet. Those are 3 pieces stacked up each other. Only put some salt on it and some olive oil because it's a very lean piece of meat. The reason I use rocks to get a cold whiskey is because if you don't use stones and use ice cubes, the water will melt and will get involved in the taste of the whiskey, and I personally don't want that. Cheers, boys. That tastes like a good Friday night. And now it's time to heat up the barbecue and let that chill for a bit, because the barbecue has to be around 200 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty hot. The coals are glowing, so that's a great sign. So that means we can put the first things on the grill. The reason that piece is on the fire right now and these two aren't, that's because that one is a bit thicker than these two, so that needs a bit longer, and the vegetables always take like ages, so those are on top and slowly heating up. Bam! Look at that, that looks great. I'm now on my way to Maastricht for a photo shoot for the merch. Represent, boy! So yeah, I'm in the van because my bike is in the back, and here you can see the shirts. We have 2 shirts and 1 hoodie. We will make some awesome pictures, and I'll show you a few when I receive them on time. And if you don't, you will see them on our Instagram page and on our TikTok. We'll make something out of it. Ik ga even opbellen, raam Ja, joggen. Skaatje. Zo?
Dan draait je weer op. En dan hier, de boot gewoon toe iets naar ver. Nog het veilig.
Oh, de ketting eraf! Vonkje niet! Dat is vandaag nog een gat. De frikandel weer kapot. Je hebt ook nog een ketting toe, maar dit is knap. Oh, mooi. Huh? Je kind daar nog gespannen zijn, dat snap ik niet helemaal.
Dat krijgt te veel druk op zijn pants. Godverdomme, niet vet.
Kijk.
Deze zit hem om de nek hangen, dat is een dikke foto.
En we gaan
Is dit ook het?
Ja, dat is wel echt content. Oh god, it was freezing out there. Oh god. But anyway, as you just saw, oh, at least I hope you saw it. I'm not sure if it was recorded, but my chain broke when I tried a wheelie. But the pathetic part was, it was so slippery right there. There was like a lot of gravel and mud everywhere. So I didn't get any traction to pop a wheelie. So we couldn't make a great picture doing a wheelie, so that was a bit, yeah, that was too bad. But anyway, I tried it in first gear, then I gave a bit throttle, and my chain broke. So now I'm heading back to the shop and put the new chain on it. I'm lucky that I have a spare chain, but we will put it on today and then we can ride tomorrow. I just came back in the shop and first things first is I need to put on a new chain. As you can see, he is finished. He broke right here and here. So these outer parts are gone. Okay, first thing what you want to do when you need to replace a chain, get these spacers or whatever you want to call it all the way to the back. That means that your bike, your chain is as big as possible, and if the chain then breaks for some reason, you can always put these to the front and you don't have to buy a new chain each time it breaks or falls apart or something. So that's what I did wrong the first time. That's why I have to use my new chain right now. Get these all the way to the back. Looks like I'm running about. So that's it. The spacers are both all the way to the back. So that means we can take a new chain, put it around, see which part we have to take out, make it a whole chain, put it on, and then we're gonna put the spacers a bit to the front or to the back so we tighten the chain, and then it's all done. This is the chain. It's a DID ER exclusive racing. I have no clue. The guy from the bike shop said this was the best chain. So now we'll take that, right? It's 105 euros. It's unfortunately a bit expensive, but we need it. Freshy. So that's the size that we need. So I will bend that one like that so I don't forget where and which one it was, and then roll it up so it won't touch the ground and the chain won't get dirty. So that one, focus please. Hello? Okay, anyway, that's the part we want to get rid of. Now you grab this thing, I don't know what it's in the English, but there you will get rid of the top part of it, and then you will punch the pin through with this thing. I don't know the words for the English tools, but you get the point, right? Whew, that was loud. Whew. And now it's time to punch it through. Okay, I got it. Finally. There's always a pain in the ass getting the parts of a chain out of each other because it's always so tight and stiff, and I hate it. But anyway, we did it. So now it's the right size. We can put the chain back in the bike, and then we can put these on it to connect it together, and then it should be alright. We have to only adjust the back wheel so that's at the right spot, and then it's all set and done. So we got the fish, at least we call it in the Netherlands a fish. I don't know actually why we call it that. Now thinking of it, it's pretty weird. But anyway, we got this, and this is then the fish. You can't see it, right? That's the part where you need to connect it. That one, that part. Black on black, amazing. You can see shit. Anyway, what you need to do is now put this thing in. But before you do that, you need to put a little bit of that chain grease on it. So you take it like you squeezing a pimple on your finger, and then rub it all over. Get it real dirty and greasy, because if you don't do it, your chain can break. Then you take it, put it right in there, like that, and then you need to take these rubbers that you get with your chain. You can probably see it, but I got 2 of those rubber rings. Put it over, right there, right there. Then put the copper part over it. I forgot to press record while getting, where is he? Oh, there. This part on. So the chain is completely back to normal. Only I have to make sure the tension is good. I have to make sure to adjust the spacers so the tire is straight and the chain is tightened. I tightened the chain. It looks kind of loose right now, but that's because I'm not sitting on it. So when I sit on it, I have like 3 finger space. So that's what everyone told me, that's the perfect space. And on both sides, it's, focus please, it's 36, 35. So it should be all right now. I tightened that one back on, so it should be all right. I made a couch out of a riser, so it isn't pretty, but it does the job. It's pretty damn comfortable, so I'm glad I did it. So now when I'm done with the bike work and I want to hang out, I can just chill right here, so that's amazing. I love that. Got the TV, the couch, big ass fridge with a few cans of Coke and some chocolate. I'm gonna hang out for a bit now, and I want to thank you for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe, leave a comment or like, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in the next video.